and welcome to EduViz. In this video, we will discuss the answers of those questions that we had posted on our Telegram channel. So the first question is, so the first question is, in a school, every student is assigned a unique identification number. Our student is a football player. If the identification number is divisible by 4, whether the student is a cricketer, if the identification number is divisible by 6. So if every number from 1 to 100 is assigned to a student, so every number is assigned to one student, then how many of them play cricket as well as football? And so 4 is for football, it is 4. For cricket, it is 6. So for the player to play क्रिकेट एज वेल एज फुटबॉल, सो अगर कोई प्लेयर क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल दोनों खेल सकता है तो उसका नंबर 4 से भी डिविजिबल होगा और 6 से भी डिविजिबल होगा। तो ऐसा कौन सा नंबर होगा जो 4 से भी डिविजिबल हो, 6 से भी डिविजिबल हो? तो इसमें हम निकालेंगे इसका एलसीएम, तो वो होगा 12। तो जो नंबर 12 से डिविजिबल होगा वो 4 से भी डिविजिबल होगा और 6 से भी डिविजिबल होगा। सो that player will be a football player as well as a cricketer. So such number would be 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. So such numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So B is the answer. The next question is, Raju has 9,000 rupees with them and want to buy a mobile handset, but he finds that he has only 75% of the amount required. Therefore, he borrows rupees 2,000 from his friend. So let us suppose the price of the mobile is X rupees. 75% of X rupees is 100 is 9,000, because it is 75% of mobile price of mobile handset. So it will come out to be X is equal to 9,000 into 100 upon 75. So this will be 3,000. So X is equal to 12,000. So this is the price of a mobile handset. Now if he borrows 2,000 rupees from his friend, तो ये कितना हो 9,000 plus 2,000, so he has 11,000 rupees. तो अब उसके पास अभी भी 1,000 rupees लेस है, तो आंसर वुड बी Raju still does not have enough money to buy the handset. A will be the answer. Next question is, in 2002 Minu's age was 1/3 of the age of Mira, whereas in 2010 Minu's age was half the age of Mira. So this is Minu, this is Mira. In 2002, let us suppose the age of Mira was X and that of Y was Mina was Y. The question is saying Minu's age was 1/3 of Mira, so it will be X by 3. Now in 2010, मतलब 8 साल बाद, तो मीरा की एज क्या होगी X plus 8 और मीनू की एज क्या होगी Y plus 8 इक्वल टू जो it is half of Mira's age, so it will be X plus 8 by 2. So we have an equation here 1 and second equation this. So we will try to solve this equation. So it will be, if we solve this one, it will give X is equal to 3Y and it will give 2Y plus 16 equals to X plus 8. It will be X minus 2Y equals to 8. So x is equal to 3y here. So we will 3y minus 2y equal to 8. It will be x y equal to 8. So the age of Minu is y 8 in 2002. So if we my deduct 8 years from 2002, our answer will be 1994. So Minu's birth year will be 1994. Next question is, in a conference, out of 100 participants, 70 are Indian and 60 are 60 of total participants are vegetarian. Then which of the following statement is or are correct? The first statement is at least 30 Indians are vegetarian, and at least the second is at least 10 Indian participants are non-vegetarian. So let us say uh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So these are the participants. 70, these 70, let us suppose, are Indians, and 60 are total, 60 of the total participants are vegetarian. So let us start from this side, that these are 6 vegetarians. So at least 30 Indian participants are vegetarian. Yes, 30 are vegetarian. So if we take the start from this side, this vegetarian can be this as well, this as well, this can these can be vegetarian. So इस type से these 30 will always be there. So first statement is correct. At least 10 Indian participants are non-vegetarian. So if we suppose these all 60 vegetarian are Indian, if we start from these 10 will be always remain. So 10 Indian participants will be vegetarian always. So both the statements are correct. So C is the answer in this case. Next question is, PQR are 3 towns. The distance between PQ is 60 kilometers, whereas the distance between P and R is 80 kilometers. Q is west of P and R is south of P. So on paper, how do we draw a map? So ऊपर होता है, east इस साइड होता है, साउथ नीचे, वेस्ट इस साइड. सो डिस्टेंस हमें जो भी दी हुई है वो दी हुई है P से. सो लेट अस सपोज P इज हियर. P से Q है वेस्ट में, तो Q हो गया यहाँ. दिस डिस्टेंस इज गिवन 60 किलोमीटर एंड R दिया हुआ है साउथ में, ये दी हुई है 80. सो हमें बोला है कि Q एंड R के बीच की डायरेक्ट डिस्टेंस निकालने. तो ये हो गई डायरेक्ट डिस्टेंस. तो ये कितना हुआ? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम 80 स्क्वायर प्लस 60 स्क्वायर अपॉन, ये सॉल्व करेंगे तो आएगा 100. सो डी विल बी द आंसर इन दिस केस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, all members of a club went to Mumbai and stayed in a hotel. On the first day, 80% of them went for shopping and 50% of went for sightseeing, whereas 10% took rest in hotel. So let us suppose these there are only 100. All numbers are 100 in number total. 10% took rest. So let us write it here: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we are writing only 90 क्योंकि 10% ने रेस्ट लिया होटल में. So 80% of went for shopping. So let us suppose these 80 are going for shopping. 50% of them went for sightseeing. तो 10, 20, 30, 40, तो ये गए साइटसीइंग पर, ये गए साइटसीइंग पर. So, which of the following can be conclusion can be drawn? 40% member went for shopping as well as sightseeing, right? क्योंकि ये जो है, they have gone for shopping and sightseeing. First statement is correct. 20% members went for only shopping. No, 10. 10% went for shopping only. So the answer is, this statement is wrong. So answer is A. Next question is, in a school, 60% students play cricket, and a student who does not play cricket plays football. Okay, every football player has a two-wheeler. Which of the following conclusion cannot be drawn from the above data? Let us see the third statement. Cricket players do not play football. This statement is wrong because question say who do not play cricket plays football. ऐसा नहीं बोला है कि जो क्रिकेट खेलता है वो फुटबॉल खेलता है या नहीं. So this statement is wrong. No cricketer has two wheeler. ये स्टेटमेंट भी रॉन्ग है क्योंकि क्रिकेट फुटबॉलर के बारे में बात की है, क्रिकेटर के बारे में बात नहीं की है. 60% of the students do not have two wheeler. These two statements, this is also wrong because क्रिकेटर के पास टू व्हीलर है या नहीं, दिस ये बात कहीं नहीं कही गई है. सो डी इज द आंसर इन दिस केस एज वेल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, the ratio of two digit natural number to a natural number formed by reversing its digit is 4 by 7. The number of such pairs is, so let us see. Suppose ये नंबर है 24. इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इस 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 10 इंटू 2 प्लस 4, तो यह है 24. सिमिलरली लेट अस सपोज द नंबर इज yx. सो y को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 10y प्लस, इसी इसी तरह से इस नंबर को भी लिख सकते हैं x. ऑन रिवर्सिंग दिस नंबर, तो ये होगा 10x प्लस y इक्वल टू 4/7. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 70y प्लस 7x इज इक्वल्स टू 40x प्लस 4y. तो ये आया 66y इक्वल्स टू 33x. तो x इज इक्वल टू 2y. तो अब ऐसे कौन से नंबर हो सकते हैं? तो पहले हम सोचते हैं x इक्वल टू 1. तो सपोज पहले सपोज करते हैं y इक्वल टू 1. तो x कितना हुआ? 2. तो ये 2. फिर y इक्वल टू 2 हुआ तो 24. y इक्वल टू 3 हुआ तो 36. y इक्वल टू 4 हुआ तो 48. अब y इक्वल टू 5 हुआ तो ये हो गया 10. सो ये हो गया 3 डिजिट नंबर. तो टोटल सच नंबर कैन बी 4 ओनली. B is the answer. Next question is, in an examination, A has scored 20 marks more than B. If B has scored 5% less marks than A, तो सपोज A के मार्क्स हैं, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि B के जो मार्क्स हैं that are related to marks of A. सो परसेंटेज दिया हुआ है A के मार्क्स पे के बेसिस पे. तो लेट अस सपोज A का मार्क्स है X. तो A के मार्क्स का 5% कितना हुआ? X इंटू 5/100 इक्वल टू 20. तो x इक्वल टू 400. A के मार्क्स होगा 400, तो B के मार्क्स कितना हुआ? 380. सो B इज द आंसर. The next question is, Sita and Geeta go for swim after gap of 2 days and every 3 days respectively. If on 1st January both of them went for a swim together, when will they go together next? So let us write the numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So दोनों एक फर्स्ट को साथ में गए तो सीता वापस कब जाएगी? आफ्टर द गैप ऑफ 2 days. ये सीता 1 2, ये सीता के नंबर्स हो गए और गीता के हुए 1 1 2 3 दिन का गैप 1 2 3 1 2 3 ये तो 13 जनवरी को दोनों साथ में जाएंगे. सो दिस इज इट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.